In a world where financial stress and mental health struggles seem to go hand in hand, one podcast aims to help you find solace and guidance. Introducing the FAM Podcast, navigating you through the tricky waters of personal finance and mental well-being. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to create a healthy relationship with money while nurturing your mental health. Join host Braimoh, a debt to prosperity success story, as he dives deep into financial habits and mental well-being. Discover Braimoh's secrets of financial literacy and mental health strategies for coping with financial stress. Get ready for thought-provoking discussions, practical tips, and Braimoh's real-life stories of triumph over adversity. Let's embark on a transformative journey together that will change your relationship with money, your state of mind, and ultimately change your life. Tune into the FAM Podcast.
So, can you really make money from your phone? Or is it just another hype? I put these apps from DollarSprout to the test, and the result shocked me. You are about to see what worked, what flopped, and how much you can actually make on that platform. I tried, and I was surprised what I discovered on the platform. Let's break it down. The tools and the dollars, or the pounds, or even Naira.
Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Hey fam, Braimoh here. Welcome to another episode of the FAM Podcast, where we talk about personal finance and mental well-being. In this episode, I'll be looking into a platform called DollarSprout. It's a platform that allows anyone that decides to make some cool cash. I don't usually chase trends, you know me, but when I saw thousands of people searching for money-making apps every month, and someone saying, Braimoh, can you look into this platform? Let's see. And DollarSprout consistently coming up. I had to investigate, because personal finance is personal and your mental well-being is priceless, okay? You know me, I'm all about truth, no fluff. If I'm going to recommend something to you, it better work, period. Because this platform, we talk about mental well-being. I would want to introduce you to something that will stress you out, that will affect your mental health. I'm not going to do that. So that's why I had to investigate this platform to see how genuine they are. So I discovered, number one, on the platform, the app you can use to make money there, Swagbox. This one pays you for doing surveys, watching videos, and even shopping. Or I spent an hour doing surveys and made some money. Really, not bad. But it's a slow grind, not bad at all. Number two app on that website, Inbox Dollars. Very similar to Swagbox, but with a cleaner interface. I cashed out $5 in 3 days, mostly from watching ads while eating lunch. And I was like, okay, so this thing is really working. I can just make like $5, just lunchtime, relaxing, my family with my phone, just survey. Instead of spending your time on Instagram and TikTok and all kind of stuff on your phone, why not just log on to this platform and see for yourself? I'm recommending them for you. Let me know how much you make on that platform. It's real, it's genuine, and it's working. And I'm telling you right now. The third app I came across on that website, it's called Nielsen Mobile Panel. This one runs in the background. No effort. They pay you for just having the app installed. I made some money on that within 30 days. Just see how it goes. No effort, no stress. The fourth app you can use to make money from DollarSprout, it's called Rakuten. This one is more like a cashback app. You shop through their link and get real money back. That's amazing, right? I use it to order some few books and bang, cashback. Wow, so if I do this regularly, then I'll be making some cool extra cash. And I said, okay, it works. I'm gonna talk about this app on my next video. And right now, I can tell you that platform works. You can make real money, no gimmick, on that platform. Give yourself 30 days and try this app I'm recommending for you. You can make some extra money just by being on your phone easily when you're commuting, on the bus, on a train, not when you are driving or not when you are cycling, okay? The next app I'm recommending from DollarSprout is called Dash. Simple. Dash gives you cash automatically when you use your card at partner stores. You don't even need to open the app. Just link your card and boom, cashback magic happens. You don't have to do much on that app. That's what I call effortless hustle, my friend. These tips I'm giving to you right now, they are free of charge. The links are in my description. Click on them, try them, and start making some extra cash while you are on your everyday hustle or everyday job. After testing all these apps for 30 days, I discovered you can actually make money on this platform. They will not make you rich overnight. If you can make £20 on Swagbucks, you can make £50 on Inbox Dollars, £10 or $10 on Nielsen Panel, and $25 on Rakuten. So what's wrong with that? Or even make $15 on Dash. These are applications that are being installed on your phone that you can just scroll through and just do surveys, watch videos, install, shop online, whether Amazon or any other platform where you do your order. You can just do that while chilling with your friends and you're making money instead of spending your whole day on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube watching cat videos. So you can ask me, okay, Braimoh, how much am I going to make on this platform? Will they make me rich? No, they won't make you rich. The real win here is stacking them up gradually, weekly, monthly, quarterly. This becomes your side hustle effortlessly. This isn't about overnight wealth, my friend. It's about making your phone pay rent instead of just draining your time, your battery, and your data. Every dollar saved or earned adds up. Do you know what I mean? Especially in today's economy. Here in the UK, inflation is 3.6% up, which means our buying power have been reduced. Things are going up, prices are going up, but our wages, our income are still not moving in the same direction as inflation. So every little helps work right now. I've dropped the full DollarSprout list in the description with links and tips to get started fast. Don't waste time. Braimoh is saying right now, these apps work if it helps you make extra money. That's launch money DollarSprout gave you. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and share so that YouTube will continue to recommend us to a lot of people to watch this video. I come with good news. I come with glad tidings. I come with value. I come here with real money talk and about your mental well-being, how it's going to help you. I think that these applications are just highlighted to you. They are going to help you make some extra money. So I will say in the next 30 days, skip Netflix, skip Amazon Prime, only go on social media to watch the Farm Podcast, on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube. When you finish watching the Farm Podcast, you go back to DollarSprout and continue to make some cool cash while you are still making your own real money on your regular everyday hustle. My name is Braimoh, and this is the Farm Podcast where we bring you value about money and your mental well-being. Share this video, comment, like, and let me know which of the apps is working for you. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.